Vice Chairperson, Principal, Vice Principal, other faculty, and future NCC cadets. It's an honor and privilege to be standing in front of you on the auspicious occasion of inauguration of raising of a NCC unit in the Shiv Shivani Degree College. Firstly, I must commend the hard work and perseverance of the principal and also the management in continuously pursuing the NCC from our side, and her hard work and her perseverance was a guiding factor in us granting and going for NCC in out-of-turn mode and fully self-finance scheme. And the assurance which the management and the principal had given us about raising the NCC put to rest any doubts which we had in our mind, and we were more than happy to pursue the case in double the time. And the cadets here, the students here will be fortunate that they will be part of NCC provided they clear the basic selection criteria which is there. I would like to tell you that NCC, although the perception of NCC is that it is doing drill and everything, but I must tell you that the motto of NCC is unity and discipline. The first and foremost aspect which we say is that once you wear a uniform, you lose your identity as an individual and you form part of a team. We will not judge you by your caste, creed, your income basis. The moment you wear a uniform, you're equal. You will be treated the same as we treat ourselves. So it is going to be a privilege for any person, any cadet, boy or a girl, in case they get selected to wear the uniform. It's a privilege, and it is also a stepping stone for you to a whole new world of things which will open once you wear the uniform. Wearing a uniform, like I saw most of you are wearing in formal dresses, you behave differently. If you are wearing a kurta pajama with slippers, you behave differently. So wearing the uniform itself, gives you a sense of pride and also a sense of belonging to an institution which has got a very illustrious history. Not only does NCC provide you the opportunity to do a lot of various things which you may not be able to do as a student. It will give you the opportunity to go and attend adventure activities. It will help you to, in case you are physically fit, you can do mountaineering expedition. Recently, boys and girls mountaineering expedition conquered Mount Everest. They were all consisting of NCC cadets only. It's an opportunity which the NCC gave to deserving cadets. It is not, I'm not saying boasting about NCC, I'm saying the deserving cadets got an opportunity and they use that opportunity to conquer the highest mountain in the world, and that is what NCC can make you do. There are a lot of other activities which are there. There are trekkings, there are whitewater rafting, there are basic mountaineering course, skiing courses, also paragliding and parasailing courses which are there, which even as an officer I am not able to do it because we don't get an opportunity, but an NCC cadet does. So this is what the NCC opens the doors and windows for you. It is not just about what we generally see in NCC is what we saw, a beautiful guard of honor which was being presented. But NCC also gives you the opportunity to girls and boys who are culturally gifted, like you are a dancer, singer, you are into playing an instrument. It also gives you an opportunity to go to Republic Day parade. Any cadet who is academically strong, they can go into a Republic Day parade as best cadet. So it is not just about being tall, smart, it is also using your brain and talent that will open a whole new wide world of opportunities. Also, if once you are college students, by the time you pass out, you will pass out, God willing, you will pass out with a C certificate. C certificate gives you an opportunity to get into Indian Army, Navy and Air Force without going through the process of written examination. There is a NCC special entry scheme which is there. You can get into armed forces just like that. A lot of the colleges, the students get into Agniveer on basis of the C certificate. It gives you additional marks. Also the C certificate, or B certificate or a C certificate which you get has got a different quota in higher education. It is the same as getting a national sports certificate. If you have participated in national sports, or if you are having a C certificate with a good grading, it is treated as equal. So everybody is not a sports person, but everybody can try to become a NCC cadet. So along with that, the confidence, the sense of responsibility which cadet gets. You are also part of a national scheme called Apada Mitra scheme, where NCC cadets are going to be first responders to a national disaster or any event which takes place, just because this opportunity is being given to you, because you are trained, you follow orders, you are disciplined. So the moment you become an NCC cadet, the kind of responsibility and also the kind of things which can be bestowed upon you is going to be terrific. And it is going to increase your confidence, and also it will make you a better citizen overall. So I firstly thank the management and the principal that they brought the NCC to your institution. It's a privilege for us also that in an institution which is motivated and which is having good leadership will provide all the necessary means to have a successful NCC in the institution. I wish to see all of you all to participate in the, you have a full troop, so there will be no problem of the number of cadets. Almost 50 to 60 cadets can join in per year. It's a selection process. Cadets will be selected. You may be interested, but you have to deserve to wear that uniform. Once you wear the uniform, as I said, there is no distinction between me and you. You will be wearing a different color uniform, the same color beret, same belt, same shoes, just that different, you will be wearing khaki and I will be wearing green. So that is the only difference which is there. So you have to deserve to get into NCC, and I wish you all the best. And I once again thank the management for giving us the opportunity to have the NCC in your institution. Thank you so much.
Your words have given us goosebumps to us regarding how the journey will be. I guess all the students, cadets, I guess you got to know what is the pride you will be getting. Yes or no? I can't hear you. Thank you, sir, for that inspirational note given to students that will eventually make them to be part of this NCC, and it's a pride to them to be in the future. So now, as a token of our gratitude and appreciation, we now proceed with the felicitation ceremony. Now I request our group heads to kindly present mementos for our chief guest.
Fully.
Now I request Shubhidar Jal Singh, now I request Havaldar Satinder Singh to please come on to the dais. Thank you, dignitaries. An event with the beginning of a purposeful journey, and it would not have been possible without the support and encouragement of many. We express our sincere gratitude to our respected heads, Srimati Aarti Sampati Madam, Dr. Shailesh Sampati Sir, Srimati Deepika Sampati Madam, Srimati Mamata Madam, and Sri Ananda Reddy Sir, for their unwavering support, vision, and commitment towards creating meaningful opportunities for our students. Your guidance continues to inspire us every step of the way. We are deeply thankful to our chief guest, Lieutenant Colonel T. Sharath, Commanding Officer of 3 Telangana Battalion NCC, for gracing their occasion and for motivating our cadets through your inspiring presence and words. A special note of appreciation to all our faculty members who are the pillars of academic strength, and to the non-teaching staff whose behind-the-scenes efforts ensure the smooth functioning of every initiative. To our enthusiastic and disciplined students, especially our young candidates, this is your moment. We look forward to seeing you carry the values of NCC forward with pride and purpose. Finally, thank you to each and every individual who contributed to making today's event a grand success. Let us continue to move forward and unite with unity, discipline and dedication. Thank you all. Jai Hind.